Okay, how are you? So today we're going to go back in the. Oh, whoa, what's that? No way. No way in the world. Is it? Like, this is a land tunnel. Look here, guys. You just saw this growing here. Last year, I grew lantana in the area. After the season was over, instead of me digging the whole thing out, I just cut the plant itself and got rid of it because lantana in my area is annual for me. Now we are in August. Now I did the area here and planted. I think the root ball I left in the ground. That means this one came back. Whoa! That means every year I will try to just cut the plant itself and leave the root ball in the ground. This is good. This is very good. Oh, off camera, I went ahead and pruned the ginger. Now that was the growth of this plant. Now this time that was in the back. Everything looking good. I got this plant growing a lot. Well, I am so surprised. Look at my pineapple. Are growing. But I told you I went to market and bought pineapple. I just took the head off and put it in water until I start to see roots. Then I plant it until look at it now, guys. Now let's go in the back, guys. Come here. Today. So this time let's go in the back. Susan. Nice. Oh, here, we're back here again. I hope you guys enjoy the fish picking. You can see how we still have more. They are falling again. Look, this one just fell, guys. Look, this one just fell. We have to do more, but not today. Just looking around to see the growth of the garden. Everything looking good. The planter we took from the courtyard garden and planted with the quadruple hydrangea. Looking good. Everything is growing. Everything looking good. I like it. And now, oh, I just love the area. Everything looking very, very good. They're going here. You can see. Oh, look under here. Oh, a lot of fruits. A lot. And oh, the ones just fell too. Okay, they're just falling, guys. Now it's time to pick them again, but not today. Now, here is a container I keep here. If you see this, I made my compost in here. 1, 2, 3 containers. I have holes at the bottom of each container. I just stack them together and add some soil in here and all the kitchen scraps I put in here. Now, there I just love there, but something that needs to be plumbed, I go ahead and do that. This is my hydrangea. This is an old stem. Okay, but new one. This is endless summer hydrangea. You can see I have more fruits here. Okay. Now today they try to dig up the potato today. Okay, so this container must squash and kabasa. This one. Okay, this one. That's the one I've grown all the way all around here. You can see it have fruit here. As you come here, that's the one that growing around here. And all as well. You can see the squash is growing over here. I've caged this before to hold the potato leaves that were growing up. You can see the squash is growing all around here and landing over this cage here. So I want to move the cage from here to there, but because this is growing over this, maybe I can just take my time, because I don't want to break that, because the squash is up there. So I can just try to move this cage and put it over there. Let's see if I can do that, guys, with one hand, right? Okay. And bring this over here. Oh. Or it all damaged. That'd be nice if I can. Okay. Let's be careful. Okay, now and try to bring it. Oh, get collapse on me. So okay. We can do it, guys. We can do this. Okay. Bring it there. As you're holding this squash this way and bring that around. It's a good thing you can control the this is open in one side. Now let's try to bring it around there. Oh, would that work? Would that work? I think I need like a stick to bring this up there. Okay, let me see if I can bring it back around this way. Maybe this way. Yeah. And bring her around this way. Yeah. I think that works. Yeah. Okay, well, look. You try the best you can, guys. Sometimes things will not work the way you want it to work. You try and try again. In the end, you find a way to make it happen. Right? And I can bring it around, see? There, and just put it there now. Good. Okay. Well, better than nothing, right? In the back, my corn. In the back, I think this one needs to be held up. I want to add more soil. I know it just two or three corn, 1, 2, and 3, but you know, happy. Not bad. Oh, them hold this back. I can just try to allow gain to the squash. Okay, I think you need to. Maybe I can help it. I can help it up there. Because you can see the tendril I grab onto the tree there. That's the one that's holding it up, keeping that squash alive. Maybe I can bring it up there. Oh, I hope not to break that, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, it's happy. Now, they to there. Yeah. We got it, guys. My squash safe. Now, just come back in here, guys. It's the last day. Now, they try to dig in this container today to see how much potatoes we have in there. I'm not sure, but they try and see what we have. Okay, move our corn all the way. You can see some potatoes still growing right there. They move all this throw away. Let's see. Let's try our luck, guys. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Get all it. There are we here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see one there. Let me get some. Oh, we are. Oh, we got it. Okay. Okay. We got it. Potato. They're small. They're small. Let's see. I hope. Well, what kind of potato are planting here? They got small potatoes. I mean, I think this is a new potato. This so small. Nothing. Oh, this is large. Getting a lot, right? Oh, oh. Okay, okay. Okay, that get that basket. Oh, I am excited now, guys. That means they look like a the kind you can just saute. I need a better this one. Let me use other container because this one put the potato in here because this way I can clean them up. Well, we are getting something, right, guys? Something. Let's put it here. Oh, this is the last one. Large. Are they all small? I hope I can get more then. Let me use something. Oh. Oh, there's some here. Well, they're so small, guys. What variety I planted in here? I have to go back and watch my own videos to see what I put in here. Okay. Oh. Oh, this is the last one. Large. Okay. And more. Oh. I hope. And more. Come up. I just grab onto them. It's a lot. I think they are water this enough because they are so small, but not bad. They can be a nice roasting potato, right? And you know, it costs a lot of money to buy the small potato at the market, right? Not my own. I see sweet potato. Oh, there you go. One. This one still growing, right? Let's leave that there. Still growing, guys. Put that back in there. Continue to grow. Okay. Yeah, put that back there. Even though not too much, but I'm happy. That try to heal up the corn. Now, let me see how much we have. Not bad. There's enough for 4 people for meal. See that? Wash and cook them. That we're going to go ahead and cook this in the garden. Not today. They move this away. And let me see if I can try to get them out from this container. I will wash them before I cook them. Let's see how much we have. Now, you put our salt back in there. Okay, let's try and plant this eggplant. This Black Beauty eggplant. Okay, I grew this last year. I got so much yield. Also, it's not too late because the plant is already grown. You can see about to produce some eggplant coming in. So when I put in here to continue growing, there, make a hole for this. Now, they put our fertilizer in there and take this. No need to tease this, leave it the way it is, and just put that eggplant right in there. And just pour salt around that. Yeah, about to rain, guys. I can hear the thunder. Okay, and put her right in there. I don't have much today. Also, I can let's go ahead and use this straw around here. Okay, the same straw I had before around the potato corn as well. So now that also go around here to see. Okay. Also, I didn't take my fishes, that the one that fell from the tree today for me. Now they're going here to see what else that's going on around here. That's time we have to do the grains. They're going here to see what else going on here. Look at the herb. Oh, wow. Here, know what the area is like? But look at the kale. This one is not for eating. I just put in here to fill up all the herb I put in here. Everything looking good with the begonia. No, the one you planted with seeds. It's a dual kale I put in the basket. All growing. And this one too. To go up here. I want it to go around here. And I want it to land on here. This way it can go around here. This scratch can hang from there down. Also, let's look at this. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. I see. Cucumber. Let's take this one for us today, right? Get one. There are more coming. More tomato coming. Just put it here to have it this as well. You can see they're all wrapped. Put it up there. I want this to go up there and grow up there. Your garden, sometimes you see things that need to be done, you go ahead and do it. Because if you would, their work will just multiply on you quickly. Now everything looking good. And clean this at the bottom here. Just take all these off. Now we have to go now because it's about to rain. Okay. Also, let's go this way. That's just some earth. It's a thyme. Just some thyme. Just go this way, guys. Yeah, that guys. The apples still looking good. That this are all. look at this, guys. It's my fish jar. Take some leaf off for cooking. Okay. I don't need too much today. Okay, that's all I need for today. So now, we're done. So that's our harvest. So fish char, potato, thyme, tomato, cucumber, and peaches, right? So now we're done for today. Thank you again. I'll see you next time in our garden. It's about to rain and thunder. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Yeah, good. I have to bring it down. It's about to rain. Bring that down. Now all done. It's raining, guys. Rain. Also, I need one squash, bell pepper. I think one more bell pepper. Oh, this is the last one. One more bell pepper. Now we're all done, guys. Okay. Hey, it's raining. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.